In this video, I will show how to back up your iPhone to iCloud. Go to Settings, tap on your name, and tap on iCloud. Displays the status of the last backup on this device. If it's green, it means your iPhone has been successfully backed up. But if there is a gray or red dot, it might mean that your backup is turned off. Tap iCloud Backup to check the date of the last backup for your iPhone. Tap your iPhone to find out details about the size of your backup and which apps are included. Tap the back arrow in the upper left corner to return to the previous screen. If you want to manually back up your iPhone to iCloud, tap Backup Now.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more informational videos, and don't forget to like, comment, and share.